There's one error almost every guy makes that instantly shuts off a woman's desire to chase him. You make yourself available before she ever feels the need to win you. Let's examine your habits. You wait for her text. You explain your motives. You push things forward before she's even asked. That isn't kindness. It's hidden neediness. And neediness has a frequency, a posture, a scent. She picks up on it in your voice, in your eyes that look for a yes, in your hurry to break the quiet. What you think is attention is actually just being predictable. And being predictable is what kills genuine attraction. The core rule is straightforward and unemotional. Female desire isn't sparked by how easy you are to get. It's ignited by emotional depth and perceived worth. Always being there sends one message. You want her more than she wants you. Emotional depth, however, signals standards, independence, and a solid inner core. A man who doesn't offer his whole self immediately isn't playing games. He's demonstrating he won't trade his self-respect for approval. That's what a woman's mind reads as high value. Psychologist Robert Cialdini nailed this dynamic. The harder something is to obtain, the more worth we assign to it. This isn't a theory. It's a repeatable fact of human nature. When you apply this to dating, you see why some men command a room without trying. They aren't hidden, but they aren't an open book. They don't say no to everything, but they are choosy. They don't pursue, they draw people in. Value comes from how much you have to give to earn access. And access must be earned. The modern man's conflict is here. He wants to be wanted, but he acts from a place of seeking approval. He wants to be the reward, but behaves like he's applying for the job. He wants her to pursue him instinctually, but he hands over all the answers first. This flip destroys the natural dynamic of attraction. The masculine energy forgets to lead the emotional pace, and the feminine energy loses the very thing that lights it up, a worthy challenge. Without a challenge, there's no pursuit. Without pursuit, there's no real longing. There's science behind why that feeling of maybe is so powerful. A 2022 Stanford study found the human brain releases 25% more dopamine when facing emotional uncertainty. It's the same system used in video games and habit loops. The mind goes back to where the reward isn't guaranteed, where there's a chance of winning, but never a sure thing. In your interactions, this means your presence needs deliberate pauses, not to play mind games, but to allow her mind to start pursuing you. Today, you'll learn the simple psychological adjustment that makes women initiate without putting on an act, just by shifting how you show your value. We'll break down the habit of giving too much too soon and rebuild your demeanor with smart scarcity, emotional pacing, and a selective stance. You won't learn to look rare. You'll learn to actually be rare. Because when you master the art of not offering yourself before she feels the urge to win you, everything changes. And when that changes, she starts moving toward you. Part 1. The hidden error that makes you forgettable. Most men don't realize attraction's biggest enemy isn't rejection. It's being boring. They think that always being there, replying instantly, showing constant interest, and being open book is how you earn a woman's desire. But every one of those actions, even with good intentions, smothers curiosity and kills the tension that fuels want. When you are completely easy to figure out, the mystery vanishes. And when mystery goes, so does your value. A woman might appreciate a guy who's easy, but it's the guy who isn't so easy that truly moves her. What she feels when a man is too steady, when he creates no curiosity or doubt, is something her brain, shaped by thousands of years, reads as no challenge here. Her instinct seeks a challenge, not a fight, but the sense she's with someone who requires her emotional effort. Effort builds connection. And when you remove the need for effort, you steal the joy of the chase. Author David Buss, in The Evolution of Desire, explains the female brain is wired to detect signs of high status. And those signs aren't found in the men who offer everything up front. They're found in men who show emotional steadiness, good judgment, and a measured presence. A 2021 Cambridge study backed this up, showing that predictable male behavior lowers how dominant and attractive he's seen by up to 40% in early encounters. If you're simple to read, you're simple to forget. The predictable man replies immediately, laughs at everything, aims to please, and repeats scripted lines. He wants to show he cares, But what he's really broadcasting is anxiety. And anxiety is read by her unconscious as a lack of inner strength. An anxious man doesn't lead the room. He lets the room lead him. A woman doesn't respect someone who seeks her okay. She respects the man who doesn't need it to know his own worth. The rules of desire are unforgiving if you miss the beat. When you show endless interest, her brain decides you're already won. Her instinct to win you switches off. The chase is over. Attention fades. It's biology. Dopamine, the chemical of pursuit, flows from not knowing. If you become a sure thing, she loses her main stimulant, doubt. And doubt is the fuel for desire. The insight is deep yet simple. When you react to everything, you give your power away. When you watch first and act second, you spark curiosity. She begins to wonder what you're feeling, what you're thinking, why you aren't reacting like the others. That small break from the expected throws her off. Her brain kicks into search mode, trying to solve you. And when someone is trying to solve you, they're already emotionally invested. The man she chases is the man in no rush to win her. He doesn't play for a quick victory. He plays to control the tempo. He knows value is built through patience. That a quiet moment, filled with intention, is stronger than any words. He understands that true presence is selective. It's that selectivity that makes him uncommon. The man who isn't trying to get noticed becomes impossible to ignore. Part 2. The Power of Strategic Mystery. Robert Greene stated, "Uncertainty is the essence of attraction." He was right. No one values what they completely understand. Mystery keeps desire alive. When something is too clear, too expected, it loses its power to captivate. The female mind, in particular, is driven by emotional curiosity. She isn't drawn to what she gets. She's drawn to what makes her think. The effective move is to master the art of the unknown. Not icy, not always free, not what she predicts, but what makes her wonder. Strategic mystery isn't a tactic. It's tempo. It's command of your emotions. The man who controls mystery isn't faking a lack of interest. He simply feels no pressure to prove a thing. He knows the more expected his reaction, the smaller its effect. When you break that mold, when you reply on your own time, when you say a little less than she anticipated, when you hold a calm focus, you become a puzzle. And the female mind is naturally pulled toward puzzles. A 2020 Columbia study showed that uncertainty about a partner's interest raised obsessive thinking in women by 32% during initial attraction. Meaning, the harder you are to read, the more real estate you own in her mind. And the longer she thinks of you, the deeper the emotional link grows. She doesn't realize it, but her body responds with more dopamine, more adrenaline. It's the same reward loop that pulls a gambler back to the table. Now you are the table. Her mind works to decode what it can't grasp. Every silence, every purposeful pause, every reply that holds something back forces her brain to keep working. This creates fascination. She thinks about you when she's alone, replays your conversations, studies your meaning, listens to your tone. That's how you become a presence, even when you're absent. You don't force her to remember you. You become unforgettable. A basic example. When she expects a fast text back, wait a beat. When she gives you a compliment, smile warmly but don't gush one back. When she tests you, keep your tone steady. Show calm and certainty. That control creates a contrast. Contrast creates tension. And tension is where real desire is born. The man who responds with warm calm but holds a firm, quiet gaze triggers something in her she can't name. A intrigued unease. That sensation of not knowing keeps her tied to you. The human body responds to maybe with dopamine. And dopamine is the chemical of craving. It makes people addicted to stimuli that don't always pay off, but promise they might. When you become the stimulus that never fully delivers, her interest stays vibrant. She needs to know what's behind your calm. She needs to figure out if you feel it too. She needs to solve you. And in that need, she begins to chase. The method of strategic mystery is straightforward, but requires self-control. You must be okay with not being fully understood. You must accept that a pause is more powerful than an explanation. You must see that doubt is more alluring than certainty. The man who masters the unknown isn't playing with feelings. He understands the worth of scarcity. He knows mystery is what keeps the spark burning. If you want to command this dynamic and use real psychological principles, more in-depth methods explain with science how the female mind reacts to presence, silence, and emotional command. This knowledge reshapes how you are seen completely. Part 3. The Strength of Purposeful Distance. Miyamoto Musashi said, "Perception is everything. That's the heart of quiet power and attraction. The man who gets this doesn't fight, push, or chase. He just controls how he's perceived. A woman doesn't fall for what she sees. She falls for what she feels when she sees it. Nothing creates more longing than being with someone who seems whole all on their own. Purposeful distance is the perfect mix of being present yet detached, attentive yet in command. A woman is drawn to the man who doesn't jump. Notice, not reacting is the ultimate show of strength. When she pushes and your eyes stay steady. When she compliments and you just nod calmly. When she tries to shake you and you remain unruffled. All of it sends one silent message. You are not easily moved by outside forces. And in the biological language of attraction, that translates to power, emotional power, inner power. Research from the University of Vienna in 2023 showed men with a high tolerance for social discomfort were seen as more dominant and desirable 78% of the time. The reason is simple. The man who can handle quiet, can handle space, and doesn't crave constant praise communicates high status. He doesn't need the world to tell him he's enough. He knows it. That self-contained energy is read as strength. Purposeful distance triggers a woman's competitive side because, deep down, she realizes she has to earn the attention of someone who doesn't give it freely. When a man shows calm selectivity, her brain switches gears. She goes from judging to competing. Competing for a high-value man's focus is one of the strongest desire triggers there is. Suddenly, she feels the need to win you. Not for you, but for what winning you means about her. But be clear, distance isn't coldness. It's emotional intelligence. The cold man pushes away. The strong man both draws in and holds back. He creates a push and pull. He's engaging when he chooses to be, reserved when it serves him. He mixes short moments of real connection with longer stretches of composed presence. That rhythm builds an addiction. She feels she has access, but never full control. And what you can't fully control becomes alluring. The gap between the average guy and the commanding guy is in how they handle absence. The average guy sees silence as rejection and rushes to fill it. The commanding guy sees silence as a tool and uses it. He waits. He watches. He lets the space grow until the other person feels compelled to close it. And when a woman feels that need, she moves towards him. That's the switch. Desire isn't about making her happy. It's about being the prize she's scared to miss. It's about creating the sense you could walk away at any time. The man who doesn't need to be liked becomes magnetic, because desire at its core is the fear of loss. And a woman only fears losing what she doesn't fully have. Purposeful distance is the most refined form of emotional command. It's the quiet that demands respect. It's the pause that builds worth. It's the calm that challenges her instincts. The man who lives by this principle doesn't play with lines. He plays with his energy. He doesn't attract with promises, but with a lack of need. Nothing is more attractive than someone who could have anything, yet chooses his own timing. Conclusion: the real game is silent. The philosopher Nietzsche wrote about the will to power amidst chaos. That's the foundation of true magnetism. The man who makes women chase him doesn't use pickup lines or cheap tricks. He uses his presence. He masters timing, silence, and his own impulses. What makes him compelling isn't how much he does, but how much he can withstand. He withstands doubt, delay, and being misunderstood. While others try to prove their value, he simply displays strength through his calm. And that calm sets him apart. The true game is silent. It's internal. It's the mastery over yourself that creates a sense of control over your world. The man who understands this stops looking for approval and starts directing perception. He doesn't have to say he's different. His actions say it. His tone of voice, his deliberate movements, his gaze that doesn't dart away. He doesn't just react to his environment. He influences it. That subtle shift changes everything. The foundation of desire is scarcity, mystery, and inner order. The man who commands these three doesn't need to be the best looking the richest, or the funniest. He needs to be the most substantial. Being predictable makes him ordinary. Being a mystery makes him memorable. Purposeful distance makes him the reward. And the reward never chases. It draws people in. It sets the pace. It defines the interaction. A woman senses this before she thinks it. She can't explain it, but her body recognizes the energy of a man who doesn't need her to feel complete. And that's precisely why she wants him, because he represents something above the everyday. Emotional command, self-mastery, the ability not to be swayed by need. That energy lights up the most ancient female instinct, to win what seems just out of reach. Remember the 3 keys. 1. Avoid being predictable. It destroys intrigue. 2. Use mystery to your advantage. It keeps her engaged. 3. Maintain purposeful distance. It creates a lasting pull. The real shift isn't in your mind. It's in your behavior. The man who doesn't seek validation forces her to seek his. That's how the dynamic reverses. Women don't chase the most handsome man. They chase the man who represents an emotional mystery. The man who seems complete, but leaves a hint of curiosity. The man who never hurries, but radiates focus. The man who never asks, but is always remembered. That's the kind of energy that leaves a mark on the unconscious mind long after you're gone. In deeper training, I teach exactly how to build this magnetic presence using real studies of psychology and advanced methods. The approach is different because it doesn't teach fake confidence. It teaches you how to construct an authentic, powerful demeanor. You'll learn to master your body language, your emotional rhythm, and the invisible game that makes a woman feel your absence. When you master your own impulses, her desire stops being a choice and starts being a reaction. That's how the power shifts. That's how the game turns. And that's how the man who learned to hold back becomes a man every other guy wants to be and every woman wants to reach. If this connected with you, hit the like button right now. It truly helps this channel, Winds of Thought, reach more people.